Welcome to Uniarch Learning Hub. In this episode, we are going to talk about the settings and parameters inside the maintenance on Uniarch NVR. The maintenance page plays an important role in troubleshooting problems in your system. In this part, we will talk about system info, log, and maintain. Let's get started. Now we are on the maintenance system info page. From basic info we can get model, serial number, and the current running firmware version. We can also check the recording status of every camera on this page, including recording stream type and whether it's recording. Let's move on to the log and see what we can get from this page. Here we find all the log types and subtypes under each main type. Select the period, main type and subtype, and click Query. After this, the logs matching your search criteria will be listed. We're able to directly view the playback of the event from here, and also the details. By analyzing logs, you can keep track of device operation status and view detailed alarm information. For quick configuration, let's have a look at the third function, Maintain. Here you are able to import or export the configuration of the NVR. This is the configuration file we just exported. Importing the configuration file is just as easy. Select the file in your USB drive to import. The system will reboot to continue the process. If you need more detailed information for troubleshooting, click Diagnosis Info. You can select device type. Export the current diagnosis info or batch export history diagnosis info. They will be very helpful for troubleshooting. That's all for today's learning. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.